Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Great. Okay. Today we are going to start a second lesson of 9th standard. I hope you all know the name of the poem. So I am going to take you first lesson was the lesson, second is the poem. Before going to the poem, I would like to ask you some questions. How man is pressing or pushing the woman by growing her or by showing her strength. When a woman wants to work or want to be independent, the man always gives her some conditions in her life, or he makes her not to do that, or he will not allow her to do that. Same as in the grass. In the field, the grass is also cut off by the lawn mower. The lawn mower means the person who cuts off the grass in the lawn. When it wants to grow, he cuts it off. If he is not cutting it off, he wants to dry it. Nowadays we can see that the grass is dried by the chemicals. When he pours some chemicals on it, it gets dried. That means he doesn't want to grow up the grass. Same as in woman life. When she want to grow up by being independent, either by money or by knowledge or becoming famous or something in the society, he doesn't allow her to become success, or he does not want to see her success in the society. He feels that always the woman should be under his feet. Do you know some things which can be pressed easily by a man? Example, a feather. The feather of a bird is always pressed very easily and he wants to press it off. One more, a soft flower. It cannot refuse to do it. It cannot reject it because it is a very soft flower. One more, a helpless child. When you see a child or a baby, if you beat it or if you pinch it, it is not able to oppose it because it doesn't have the ability to do it. Same as a helpless woman. When a woman is not educated or when a woman is not success in her life, either by money or by name, fame or some other things, even by strength also, she is pressed and pushed off by the men. So this is a story written by Kishwar Nahid. The Kishwar Nahid addresses the challenges faced by women in the present context. In the present situation, what are the problems are faced by the women? The poet finds similarity between her life and the life of a blade of grass. She sees that she is feeling the similarity between the life of her life and the blade of a grass. So, the Kishwar Nahid, this poem is written or translated from Urdu to English by Kishwar Nahid. So Kishwar Nahid was born in Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh in 1940. She is one of the best known women poets of Pakistan. She has written a collection of traditional ghazals. She has also written for children for the daily newspaper Jung. Her poetry has been translated into English and Spanish. Her well-known poetry are We Sinful Women. Sinful means Papigalu. Now ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು was translated and edited by Rukhsana Ahmed and published in London by the Women's Press in 1991. She held the position of Director General of the Pakistan National Council of Arts before her retirement. She has founded an organization named Hawa, whose goal is to help women without independent income to become financially independent through cottage industries and selling handicrafts. Here, cottage industries means the things like cloths stitched by the women, and selling handicrafts means the cloths or dresses, suits and other things which we wear, those are handicrafts like bangles, earrings, jewelries and home decorative things. By doing these all, women are becoming strong. These are the aim of the Kishwar Nahid. Please listen the summary of the poem carefully. The grass is also like me. The poet is saying that the grass is also like me. Why? Because it has to unfurl underfoot to fulfill itself. But what does its wetness manifest? That means the grass want to grow up and spread over the field, but the lawn mower doesn't allow, or he makes it wet always by leaving the water there. If it is always wet, it doesn't grow. It needs some dry or scorching sense of shame. It means when the sun is too much hot, the grass doesn't grow. We can see in summer the grass doesn't grow. Same, a man is always makes the women to be inside the home, because not to go out and not to be independent or not to be mingling with the society or the heat of emotion. By the heat, that means he is always giving many problems to her. By seeing the problems or by facing the problems, she is not allowed to think her independence, or she is not allowed to grow herself in the society. And once again she says that the grass is also like me as soon as it can raise its head. Underline the word raise its head. The grass is also like me as soon as it can raise its head. The lawn mower, obsessed with flattening it into velvet, mows it down again. So he says that when a woman raises its head means when a woman want to become independent, the lawn mower, that means the lawn mower here is the man. It may be her husband, her wife, her brother, her father or some other men. He is not allowing the woman to become independent by money, by financially or by emotionally. Obsessed with flattening it into velvet. He is always making the grass flatten. That means he wants to cut off. We can see in the picture there is a grass cutter. By using the grass cutter, they make the place flat. Mows it down again. Whenever the grass is growing, he cuts it off and makes the place flattening and it into velvet. Velvet means a smooth way, not a sharp way. When the woman is independent, she is sharp, but he will not allow the woman to become sharp. He gives her emotional feelings and makes her blackmail by keeping her at home and not being independent by money. How you strive and endeavor. Here he says that however you try to do it, or you put your lot of effort, but he will not allow the woman to grow up. How you strive and endeavor to level woman down too, but neither the earth's nor woman's desire to manifest life dies. Take my advice, the idea of making a footpath was a good one. So he is saying that when a woman tries with her effort to grow up, he is not allowed. He will not allow the woman, even the earth also, but neither the earth's nor woman's. We can see that the lawn mower doesn't allow the grass to grow up, and the man will not allow the woman to grow up, and he does not make her to die also. Take my advice, the idea of making a footpath was a good one. So she is telling that we should make an idea to grow up on our own way. And again she is saying that those who cannot bear the scorching, that means who are unable to bear. Bear means to fulfill. That means ಸಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳು. Those who cannot bear, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಕರೇಜ್, ಧೈರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ joined or united. So they are pressed. That's how they make way for the mighty. So whenever they are pressing you or pushing you down, you should grow up more and more. But they are merely straw, not grass. Straw means we can say like a pipe way. So it doesn't fold. It goes on growing. So same, the grass is also like me. She is saying that when a woman is under men's power or men's foot, she goes on losing her identity and independence, but she should be ready to bear that and grow opposite to him by financially and by knowledge and by strength also. So women are more stronger than men, but the men doesn't allow the women to grow up. By this poem we can see that women are more stronger. Nowadays we can see women is very stronger than men, but the men doesn't allow her to grow up. By this poem we can understand, for a sister, mother or any women, we should not press them under our foot. The man should not press the woman under his foot, and he should allow her to grow up, and the woman should not be silent for any inconvenience or any wrong situations. She should be strong to be good and strong in the society. Okay, so here we can see some glossaries. Unfurl means open out or spread out. She doesn't want to, want to spread out with her own strength. Wetness, wet means we all know that being something damp, or when there is water standing in the field, the grass cannot grow. Manifest, to reveal, that means to show everyone. Lawn mower, it is a machine for cutting the grass. Endeavor, put an effort or make effort. Grafted, joined together. When they want to cut the grass, they hold the grass in a hand tightly and they cut it off. Merely, just, only or simply. Straw, we all know that what is straw? A pipe way which cannot be cut easily. Okay, thank you.